In this video, we are going to continue our discussion on integration problems, and this time, we are going to find the integral of e raised to square root of x. So how can we find the antiderivative of e raised to square root of x dx? So the first step that we're going to do is to solve this one using u-substitution. So let us set u as square root of x. And square root of x can be written as x raised to 1/2. And then du, that is the derivative of x raised to 1/2. So let us use power rule. This will be 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 dx. And to simplify, du is equal to 1 over 2 x raised to positive 1/2 dx, or can be written as 1 over 2 square root of x dx. And to find the value of dx, let us multiply both sides by 2 square root of x. So let us cancel this one. So dx is equal to 2 square root of x du. So this will be the value of dx. And then let us have the antiderivative of e raised to square root of x, that is u, and dx, that is 2 square root of x du. So let us have the antiderivative of e raised to u times 2 square root of x. Since square root of x, that is u, so we are going to write 2u, then du. So let us move the constant in front. This will be 2 antiderivative of u e raised to u du. And to solve this one, we are going to use integration by parts. So that is the antiderivative of u dv, that is u times v, minus the antiderivative of v du. And then let us set u right here as u, and du, that is the derivative of u, that is 1 dx, and dv, that is e raised to u dx, and v, that is the integral of e raised to u, that is e raised to u. So we are going to write as 2 times u times v minus the antiderivative of v du. So let us have 2 multiplied by u, that is u, and v, that is e raised to u, minus the antiderivative of v, that is e raised to u, and du, that is dx. So let us simplify. Let us have 2 times the quantity of u times e raised to u minus the antiderivative of e raised to u, that is e raised to u, and then plus c. And then the next step is we are going to distribute 2 inside the parentheses. So this will be 2u e raised to u minus 2 e raised to u plus c. And then let us substitute the value of u, that is square root of x. So this will be 2 square root of x e raised to square root of x minus 2 e raised to square root of x plus c. And this will be our final answer. So I hope you've learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.